Updating your email address on Disney Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Disney Plus website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Edit email address. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Account Information. Here, you will find the option to edit your email address. Click on Edit or the pencil icon next to your email. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, click on Save or Update. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change. Once you've completed these steps, your email address on Disney Plus will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Disney Plus customer support for assistance.